Hi, so this is the coloring part one. Um, no, actually the whole thing, and then I don't know which part will be when. So, anyway, so I'm just going to use like the darkest and the lightest color of this, so you guys will be able to see better. Now, all the dark parts, I'm just going to do them first, okay? So it just shows you better which ones are the dark ones. So all the ones at the bottom, okay, the inside of the rose is always lighter, the inside of the rose, okay? So this is dark, this is the outside, so this is dark as well. I'm going to show you all the dark parts first, just thought it would be easier. And whether you're doing it with lipsticks, whether you're doing it with color pencils, whether you're doing pencil shading, whatever you're doing, please follow the same dark light rules, okay? So this is again darker. Now this is the inside here, so I'm going to make this bit darker. Sorry, this is the outside of the other petal, so this is darker. This is the outside here, so this is darker. This is the outside here, so this is also darker. Again, this is the outside, so this is darker. This is outside, so darker. All the outside portions of the flower will be darker. Now I'm going to go ahead and just do the insides. So insides will be starting from here. This is the lighter shade that I'm using right now, so you can use the lighter shade. This is the lighter shade that I'm doing right now, so this is lighter. Bring it all the way down, probably color it in, okay? Here, please do it much more neater than I have done. Here, here, lighter portions, lighter portion, because this is the inside. Inside of the rose is always well kept, so it's lighter. Now for this one, I'm going to make a little dark light effect. So what I'm going to do is lighter portion towards the outside. This entire outside bit, I'm going to make it lighter because that's where the rays are falling. And then I'm just going to blend it and make it darker where it is going inside, okay? Just slight blending, because inside also there is a portion of a flower that's going to be light red, so I don't want them to all blend together. So I've made a dark light effect there. So I'm just going to go ahead and pencil it all out here. Obviously you have to do the cracks. Right now I'm just eliminating the cracks because I'm trying to show you fast, and then I don't need to make too many videos of the same thing. So you need to do it really neat, guys. Please excuse my untidiness, but this is another inside of the flower. This is another inside of the flower. So the technique you have to follow is just the inside outside bit. Here I'm going to make it a slightly different color here, so it gives like an effect here. Okay, so this is the this is the inside. So I did the inside here, did the inside here. Once I've done the inside, then I'm just going to go ahead and use the darker shade again, just to give some more effect. And to the main rose, I am going to do like a red in the middle and just a layer surrounding it. Okay, so this is how you complete the whole thing. You can obviously just add a little color and a little effects if you like. So right now I'm just using light red, the shade that I used here, just to go over all the dark red, so it just fills the gaps, so it gives like a really nice effect. It gives a mixed effect. So I'm just filling the gaps here with the light red, so I go over the rose completely with the light red. If you have color pencils, then only do this. You can also take the dark red and you can give certain lines in the lighter red, so it gives like a nice effect there as well. Here is where I'm going to do it. So yeah, this is how it should be. You can go ahead and take a black pen if you like, and you can mark it out as well. Take a black pen, sketch pen, any kind of pen, and just mark it out as well. Now I'm going to make it come down. Basically just to be nice and curvy. Only if it's curvy it kind of looks good, especially the outside petal. The inside can be straight, the outside petals have to be nice and curvy. So this pen is not, I just realized, is not the best to use on color pencils. Just gonna go ahead and do it anyway. I'm gonna lift it after this to show you guys. Most of you have seen how you color the leaf, so you guys have already colored it, but this is how my rose look.